This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the keyboard and your device. This step gets both radios ready. Turn the keyboard on, then press and hold the dedicated pairing button until the LED flashes. On your phone, tablet, or laptop, open Bluetooth settings and make it discoverable so the keyboard appears. Once done, you'll see the keyboard name listed. Don't select anything yet. Make sure Bluetooth on the device is enabled and airplane mode is off so discovery proceeds smoothly. You now tap or click the keyboard name in the device's Bluetooth list to begin pairing. This triggers a code or simple confirmation. If a PIN appears, type it on the keyboard and press enter so both devices verify identity. Once paired, the system usually installs the profile automatically. If not, open keyboard settings to choose layout and language so keys map correctly. Make sure any OS prompts for permissions are accepted, because missing permissions can block full functionality. You finish by testing the keyboard in a simple text app to confirm keys and modifiers work as expected. This verifies the whole chain. If input is laggy or disconnects, restart the keyboard and the device, then reconnect. Often a quick power cycle resolves transient radio issues. If pairing fails repeatedly, reset the keyboard to factory pairing mode and remove the device from Bluetooth history before trying again. One key tip: check for conflicting Bluetooth devices nearby and disable them temporarily to isolate the problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.